I took the Beatles and the Wu-Tang Clan and all that put together, and I just made it one thing, man, and it worked.
1, 2, 1, 2.
All types of shit, yo, let that shit ride. Word the mother.
Turn up the microphone.
Do all that good shit.
1, 2.
Do all that
1, 2.
good
The war was back.
Bob Digi, UGOD, Raekwon the Chef, the Inspector Deck, METHOD, the BOBB, straight up, Master Killer, the Jizza, the Genius. It's an old dirty bastard.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Killer
Bees.
The Wu-Tang sword style.
Well,
Would you like to do a number with us? You know, we'd like to do a number together.
Yeah.
You'd like that?
Great.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Beatles.
John here. This is Paul, George, and Ringo.
It started in Liverpool, England, a sound, a feeling, an emotion. It started in Liverpool, England, and swept up the youth of the world. And while adults speaking in many foreign languages looked on in awe, 4 young boys from a poor British seaport slum town, their hairstyle a harmless defiance of convention, their musical style brash, earned renown which they had never dreamed of and perhaps never really wanted.
TC.
You know what I'm saying? We're going to give it to you raw in a few seconds.
A 1, a 2.
The New York Times side. Staying alive was no job, had second hands. Moms bounced on old men. So then we moved to Shaolin Land. A young youth, you're rocking the gold tooth. No goose, only way I begin to G-York was drug loot. And let's start it like this, son. Rolling with this one and that one, pulling out gas for fun. But it was just a dream for the teen who was a fiend. Started smoking wools at 16 and running up in gates and doing hits by high stakes, making my way off fire escapes. No question, I was speed for cracks and weed. The combination made my eyes bleed. No question, I would flow off and try to get the dough off. Sticking up right boys on ball court. My life got no better. Same damn low sweater. Times is rough and tough like leather. Figured out I went the wrong route. So I got with a sick tight click and went all out. Catching keys from cross seas, rolling in MPVs. Every week we made 40 G's. Yo, brothers, respect mine. I ain't gonna tech now. Bow, move from the gate now.
Dollar bill, yo. Cash rules everything around me. Green, get the money. Dollar bill, yo.
It's been 22 long, hard years, I'm still struggling. Survival got me bugging, but I'm alive on arrival. I peep at the shape of the streets to stay awake to the ways of the world. Deep. A man with a dream, with plans to make green, which fail. I went to jail at the age of 15, a young buck selling drugs and such, who never had much, trying to get a clutch of what I could not touch. The court played me short, now I face incarceration. Pacing, going upstate's my destination. Handcuffed in back of a bus, 40 of us. Life as a shorty shouldn't be so rough. But as the world turned, I learned life was hell. Living in the world no different from a cell. Every day I escape from takes, giving chase, selling bass, smoking bones in the staircase. Though I don't know why I told you smoke cess. I guess that's the time when I'm not depressed, but I'm still depressed. And I ask, what's it worth? Ready to give up, so I seek the old earth who explain working hard may help you maintain. To learn to overcome the heartaches and pain. You got stick up kids, corrupt cops and crack rocks and stray shots. All of the block that stays hot. Leave it up to me while I be living proof to kick the truth to the young black youth. But shorties running wild, smoking cess, drinking beer, and ain't trying to hear what I'm kicking in his ear. Neglected for now, but yo, it got to be accepted. The what? The life is hectic.
Cash rules everything around me. Get the money. Dollar bill, yo. Cash rules everything around me.
Are you individually millionaires yet?
No, that's another lousy room. I wish we were.
Brian Epstein a millionaire.
No, even he's not one, poor fellow.
Where does all the money go?
Well, all of it goes to Her Majesty.
She's a millionaire.
Oh, baby. Dedicate to all the pretty girls, pretty girls. All the pretty girls in the world, God, and the ugly girls too. But to me, you're pretty anyway, baby. Give me your number, I call you up. You act like you're gonna interrupt. I don't have no trouble with you fucking me, but I have a little problem with you not fucking me. Baby, you know I'ma take care of you, cause you said you got my baby and I know it ain't true. Is it a good thing? No, it's bad. For good or worse, makes you switch. So I walk on over with my crystal. Put away your pistol. Dirty won't be having it in his house, cause bitch, I'll cripple your style. Now that you heard my charming voice, you couldn't get another nigga. Gucci won't get moist. If you wanna look good and not be bummy, yo, you better give me that money.
Hey, dirty. Baby, I got your money, don't you worry. I said, hey, baby, I got your money. Hey, dirty. Baby, I got your money, don't you worry. I said, hey, baby, I got your money.
Yo, so I glanced at the girl glanced at me. I whispered in the air, you wanna be with me? You wanna look pretty though in my video. Oh, dirty on the hat, then I let you all know. Just dance if you caught up in the Holy Ghost trance. If you stop, I'ma put them killer ants in your pants. I'm the ODB, as you can see. FBI, don't you be watching me. I don't want no problems, cause I put you down in the ground where you cannot be found. I'm just dirt dog trying to make somebody. So give me my streaks and give me my honey. Radios play this all day, every day. Recognize I'm a fool and you love me. None of you knew, better look at me funny. You know my name now, give me my money. Sexy, sexy, sexy. Sexy, sexy, sexy. Sexy, sexy, sexy. Yo, played in the club like this all night. Bitch, put your ass out, let me hold it tight. You looking at my wrist, ain't this so nice? The price, diamond, shining, disco line. You better help me solve my problem. I'ma get this money and rob them. Lucky dog when I won the lotto. Ran up on my car, more carrying Rollo. But hold on, you can call me dirty and then lift up your skirt. And you want some of this dirty? God made dirty, dirt bust your ass. Stop annoying me, yeah, I play my music loud. I take the back to no dirty to move the crowd. Just say he had it in his mouth. Eddie Murphy taught me that back of the house. Give me my money.
Dirty. Baby, I got your money, don't you worry. I said, hey, baby, I got your money. Hey, dirty. Baby, I got your money, don't you worry. I said, hey, baby, I got your money.
Yeah, BBC status. Marking birds like Zorro. Ghetto princess told me she settled out in Flushing Meadow. Fly chick rockin' size 6 stiletto. Draped out, tailor-made, leather and suede. I serenade for the moment, then we part ways. Was a church girl, quiet at home, hugging the pillow phone. Now you're grown, rolling bones, holding your own. I admire attire, be bold, just like your attitude. Jewels from head to toe, glowing natural. I'm after you. Your style's what I'm attracted to. Rarely seen to keep it moving when you do pass through. Knowing when we bump heads, we will soon bump hips. To be swimming in the ocean of love that sunk ship. Homie with the tight grip, come thunderous. To wake up, reminiscing and spark the blunt clip. Have you loving it, wondering if I shall return? Forget me not, eternally the flame burns. Forget me not. Forget me not. August, I met this odd chick, caught a cop and kick, about to visit a man in my 6. Said he just coming home from a 2-year trip. Now we about to do 2 because his man turned snitch. She under pressure, wanting me to come rescue her. But Inspector, there's no haven for the rest of. I feel you breaking out, but the route you chose, fucking his foes, will have son breaking your nose. I seen her once or twice now as weeks went by, sliding by, trying to hide the black eyes. Looking right though, I might go for her seduction. Dangerous curves, I must avoid being sucked in. Lustin', I caught her at the function. Slid out the side, saw the rider jumped in. Later on the box, unlatched the black box. Got a rock, then collapsed from the back shots. Forget me not. Forget me not.
But how do you cope with the girlfriends?
Just talk to them normally, and then they don't shout. Don't shout, they don't try and tear your clothes off. It's okay.
Because we're not gonna get in. I mean, that's obvious.
Have you tried getting in the hotel?
No, but I know 2 other girls that did, and they made it all the way up to the 12th floor, and then one of the policemen got them and brought them all the way down again. I mean, there's no way you can possibly get in to see them.
Will you keep trying while they're in town to get in to see them?
Yes, we will.
Are you a Beatle maniac?
Well, you can trust us. We're not going to fight you or grab you or something. But who would believe us?
Last night changed it all, I had a ball. First of all, I got an obscene phone call. All I heard was heavy breathing and loud sounds of moans. An intimate kiss, followed by the dial tone. Repeatedly this person kept calling my home, giving graphic details of her sexual Jones. No clue of who, must have been a total stranger. Annoying me, yeah, but talking me out my anger. State your name and stop playing games. You wanna spark flames, it could be arranged. On your side of town, right around now. What you working with? Let me know how it's going down. And the phone click, then once again it rang, with directions to the lab where she doing her thing. To my surprise, when I arrived, she had her legs cocked. I got her red hot and blessed the wet spot. Forget me not. Forget me not. Forget me not.
Could you give us a sample?
I can't help myself. I love him.
Do you have a favorite?
Yes, John.
Why?
I just love him.
Honestly,
Greatest.
do you think the Beatles are out of style?
Never. They'll never go out of style.
Tell me the truth now. Which group do you like better than the Beatles?
The Beatles all the time. I love them.
I see everything. I see everything. You know what I'm saying? It's like we come through. Better have your fucking third hour.
Shit's about to change now. Yeah, the employees of the year, yeah, we're back to work. We took time off while other rappers got jerked. Shit's about to change now. It's a shame how things ain't the same, but I'm back in the game now. And as we step in the door, we cause panic. Yep, the usual suspects, we at it. Bet static, yo in a week with the belt. Few chicks felt your style, now you're feeling yourself. Meet your maker, I dropped you was 8 years old. I got stock in your flow and crops to sharehold. Props with the pros, with cops, but there go. Got top centerfolds, too hot to wear clothes, still me. Always having will be, ill G. It's silly to hate, but feel free. Hey, hear what I say? They gotta pay. And my return is like Christ declared a holiday.
Y'all see I'm in the street struggling, young, dumb, and thuggin', give a fuck about nothing. Stuck at rock bottom, trying to come up on something. Pumping from sundown to sun up, he hustling. Vision, my nigga, now get in where you're fitting. And see prison as just a high cost of living, the life. Any up, cause if you blow the dice on that OZ, Dorothy ain't going home tonight. That's on everything. Put it on the kids and the white. Been burying my folk ever since they raised the price on the coke. Searching for a quick antidote. More money, more problems to cope.
We were at the same table when the chips were checked. A gambling rebel who inspects the deck. Just when you thought we would fold our hand. Against all odds, we raised the bet like we changed the plans. It was live on air, but in between station breaks, I was holding the pair and just made the table stakes. Split the demos, put insurance on tapes. a safeguard against the crusaders and capes. If I double down, they say the guards were sharks. If we went against the house, they thought the cards was marked. We draw hit after hit from a royal flush menu, while the dealer promoted the full house venue. A spade in the club with the heart to wear diamonds. The high roller who got credit upon signing. They look puzzled when I shuffle, most of them stunned by the hustle, because the bluff game's your muscle.
I'm back in the game now. Caught me some weight now. People about to eat now. Shit's about to change now. Yeah. Back in the game now. All my niggas in the hood now. Ooh. Better catch up now.
Say what? Hey yo, on rainy days I sit back and count ways on how to get rich. Coolin' with a mean, ill Jamaican bitch. Banana coat matching with the ratchet. Lil black weed, sweatpants style. Air Forces acting, jumping in 6 kicks. Lil Chris talking about the bird. Flow through your hood in the mean sense, that's giant. It's like the family that flipped on you for lying. Buried you alive, left your whole crying. We on your floor, look, more dogs. They ain't A either, I hope y'all niggas is on. And when we get there, all my niggas in the mix, yeah, Shalal Legs. Diamond got me buying Louis Rich.
Yo, people say the clan was missing since I got dropped off a radio. Overnight your whole style was bitten in the process. Everybody switched their names like, what you call it, and he Fast B James. It was the guards that read that. Sharp skin, dark skin bitches, Clarks and Dizzy left the game dizzy. Who got busy? That dancey shit slid through. We had to stay hood cause that's what we been through. RZA came through, mastermind, got the cash from power. Proof the power past the divine. Classical lines, mathematical rhymes. Styles unbearable, now niggas with the radical shines. It's Ghostini, every coast need me. We back, motherfucker, that's right. It's the WTC, World Trade Center, Wu-Tang Clan. We brought so much heat that we was giving you tears and shit.
I'm back in the game now. Caught me some weight now. All people about to eat now. Shit's about to change now. Yeah. Back in the game now. All my niggas in the hood now. Ooh. Better catch up now. Shit's about to change now. About to change. Back in the hood
now. When you walk, you striving for perfection. That's what we do. You understand? So that little fake shit out there, we know the science on that. We done seen that shit from different angles. You know what I mean?
Tell me, when you hear a Beatles record, what thoughts run through your mind?
Beauty, sheer beauty. The sounds are so mellow and sweet, and there's Paul and there's John and there's Ringo and there's George. They're all singing. If you know, the Beatles bring joy into the world. The happiness. We forget our cares when we hear Beatle records. They're fun.
Tell me this, how long do you think the Beatles can last?
Well, I wish they'd last forever. They could bring happiness to everybody.
Everybody. What up, my people, weeple? This beat the counter prequel. Shine up the Desert Eagle, light up that extra lethal. I mean that 3 years and 2 G's. I'm back with new trees. I rapped in loose leaves while y'all was just rapping. Who get the set cracking? Just like a neck snapping. Let's get this next platinum. What's happening, Def Jam? Remember Meth Man? I held your hand through them years when y'all was stressed, man. That's why I still love you and Russell still hustle. Let's get the pumping iron and flex some real muscle. Up in this bitch, dude. My click is Rick Rule, and I ain't got the ivory. This ain't the flick, dude. Somebody told me y'all can't hold me. Naughty by nature, do my dirt all by my lonely. You need to back up, bitch. You don't know me. Gotta leave these hoes alone. They too nosy. Meth is killing, MC killing. What more can I say? Stop grilling. That's what niggas get for acting Hollywood. And since y'all understood, would you? Da 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 day, da 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 day, ay, da 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 day, da 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 day, ay. Okay, the love issue, don't let that love get you. My brothers love pistols, doing they drug whistle. Bet y'all ain't know, did you? That I'm a pro, did you? Until the flow hit you. Fuck it, I'm official, born with more gristle, thrown from chrome nickel, place that don't tickle. Can't wait to zone with you. I'm hard as stone chisel. Meth got his own little formula to go triple. Faux shizzle, y'all know my occupation. I'm putting in the word, so in the imitation, I'm putting in the dirt. That shit is aggravating. Why y'all procrastinating? I got some answer waiting, and she probably masturbating. Welcome to New Yiddy, where half is 250. If I got a problem, then that's one problem too many. So don't trick me, I bust until I'm empty. Swiftly, that way I get the chance to take you with me, motherfucker. Memphis killing, MC killing. What more can I say? Stop grilling. That's what niggas get for acting Hollywood. And since y'all understood, would you? Da dollar day, da dollar day, ayy. Da dollar day, da dollar day. I got style, H-Rap Brown, back up and back down. Act up, we back clown, last up the back now. It's me, the Callion. Swing like Barry Bonds, mommy got a ratty thong. Happy cause daddy gone, turn it up a little bit, a notch and it'll get cooking once the griddle gets so hot. Good looking kid, okay now where was I? Prepared was I? Your man broke his jaw trying to say what I say on this mic. Not a day in your life, could ya? Say I ain't nice, could ya? If I ain't nice, would ya? Get off my dick and tell your bitch to come in, she stuntin'. Can't hear me coming like my dick's in her ear or something. I put that on my mama, she put that on her kids. He put that chrome on your dome and blow your fucking wig. That's how it is, as Bobby did. We back on your block with enough shots to give motherfuckers. Killing, MC killing, what more can I say? Stop grilling, that's what niggas get for acting Hollywood. And since y'all understood, would you? You know my name, M-E-T-H-O-D. Man, here I am, the Method Man.
Yo, Meth, where my killer tape at? First of all, where the fuck is my tape?
What have you done in New York, and what do you hope to see while you're here? Well, we've been out to a couple of clubs, rock clubs mainly, because we just like listening to rock when we're not working anyway. And we hope, we're hoping some of our favourite artists will come up, but they're all out on the road or something, they're not here. Who is your favourite artist, American? Well, there's a lot, Marvin Gaye, Miracles, all.
Just got bucked, niggas in the black land, God, word was born. Came through, God, from out of nowhere, God, word was born. I'm coming to get my culture cipher, God. And they just, word was born, crazy shots just went the fuck off, God. The nigga laying there like a fucking newborn fucking
Nothing
baby,
but
God.
a half a mil we built.
Is he fucking dead? What the fuck you mean is he
real,
fucking
y'all.
dead, God? Fuck you think? The nigga
Taking
laying
you
there
on
with
another
fucking,
one.
all types of fucking blood coming out of his fucking.
Julio and
The
Glaciers.
God, God, what's wrong? Yo, what's up, man? This fucking
Make it cream like that, nigga.
Yo, first of all, son, beat the arson. Many brothers I be sparking and busting, man, like inside the dark. Call me dope snatcher, just a brother for the rapture. I hang line, holding on strong, hard to capture. Extravagant, resurrect the track and it's militant. Then I react like a convict and start killing shit. It's manifested. The gods work like appliances. Dealing in my cipher, I revolve around scientists. The night chamber, they get trapped inside my hallway. You try to flee, but you got smoked right by the doorway. No question, I send your ass back right to the essence. Your whole frame is smothered in dirt. Now had you resting. Well, I be trapped by sounds, locked behind loops. Throwing niggas off airplanes to cash rules. Everything around me black, as you can see. Swallow this murder one verse like God degree. Then analyze my soundtrack with satisfaction. You adapt like a flashback chain
Lace
reaction.
them niggas, son. AK's black, bust back like 70 max. I'm all that. Sheet niggas knowin' my steez black. Raw G, you know he coincide with me, see? Marvelous, really supposed society. But anyway, let's toast. Champagne thoughts with ghosts. I match the most. Shotguns through the nose. Fuck rap, hip hop for me, York top. Low wears and Tommy Hill fly shit with a nap. The witty, unpredictable live shit. Drive-by shit, do or die shit. I take your lying shit. And then I'm running through the P now. Foul, walk through showers, wow. The old lady snitch, but fuck it, you know what, one love, kid. No, I'm not doing a bit. Too much to get for what? The 6 niggas got stuck in the nigga chain was drunk. Yo, fuck that. Criminology rap. Speaker stay jet black, floating in the flies act, nigga. Bring it.
All my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks as though they're here to stay. Oh, I believe in
Much
yesterday.
love go to New York City.
Suddenly, people move, and I have the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday.
And we about to drop another single right now called Chess Boxing.
A game of chess.
is like a sword fight. You must think first, right? Before you move.
Tone style is immensely strong and immune to nearly any weapon. When it's properly used, it's almost invincible.
Raw, I'ma give it to you with no trivia. Roll like cocaine straight from Bolivia. My hip hop will rock and shock the nation like the Emancipation Proclamation. We MC approach with slang to dead. Them eyes are running to the wall and bang your head. I put the force, my boss you're doubting. I'm making devils cower to the cautious mountain.
When I'm the sire, I set the microphone on fire. Rap styles vary and carry like Mariah. I come from the Shaolin slump and the Allen funk is coming through with enough niggas, enough guns. See if you wanna come sweating, stressing, contesting. You got to start towards the midsection. Don't talk the talk if you can't walk the walk. Phony niggas that outline the chalk. I'm mad vexed is what the projects made me. Rebel to the grain, there's no way to barricade me. Steamroller niggas like an 18-wheeler. What the drunk driver driving, there's no surviving. Rough like Timberland, where? Here, me and the clan and yo, the Land Cruisers out there. Peace to all the crooks, all the niggas with bad looks. Warhead braids, blows us up. We pack chrome decks, nigga play the Mac. Black act, drug dealing styles with fat stacks. Only been a good nigga for a minute though, cause I got to get my props and win it, yo. I got beef with commercial ass niggas with gold teeth, lamping in a Lexus C and B. Straight up and down, don't even bother. I got 40 niggas up in here now who kill niggas proper.
My peoples, are you with me where you at? In the front, in the back, killer bees on attack. My peoples, are you with me where you at? Smoking up, hitting jacks on the block with the jack.
Shaolin Shadow Boxing and the Wu-Tang Sword Style. If what you say is true, the Shaolin and the Wu-Tang could be dangerous. Do you think your Wu-Tang sword can defeat me?
Not guilty.
What you doing on our turf, punk?
Got a message for Smokey.
Give it.
You a Smokey man?
Give it.
If you ain't Smokey, ain't your motherfucking message.
Motherfucker, I said give me the message.
Peace the cats who rock Mac knowledges, street astrologists, light up the mic guard nowledges, block joints like character points, Corolla, Motorola, hola, play guard, he back over the shoulder, chrome tanks, play it like Yanks, check the franchise, front on my guys, my enterprise last many lives, repeller fakes like reflectors, he has sugar in his ear in his last crack career, we can him, manhandle him, if you wanna run in this cribbo, get ditto, skate like a limo, and jet to the fly state, relate, take a break down the apron and wait, drop it like Drake, thugs, they be blowing and screwing. We canoeing, claim they doing the same shit we doing. Fuck your union, it's the same style. Raise the trainer boy, jump the turnstile. On the alley, try to challenge God for the new guys, especially that aluminum bat in the act. Relax, lay back, sell a grenade a day. It pays black. The Mac 10 flex, white cats like Windex. Index finger be sore, busting these fly scraps. The Wally can't count, crazily grins, provide plans. Laying with my bitches and my mans in less lands. We losing them. Jet to the stash and now Jerusalem, abusing them. Rocking his jewels like we using them. Low pro star, 7 thick waves, rock polar. Roll with the older guard, build with the sun and the stars.
Mercury raps is rough and gorgeous, so like taps, red and white volleys, the match, bear my baseball hat. Doing forever shit like pissing out the window on turnpikes. Robbing niggas for levis like swiping on dope bikes. Voicey mellow like Vaughn Harper, radio barber. Murder sleepaway camp for fly lady tramp. The arsonist who burn with his pen regardless. Slaying all these earthlings and fake foreigners. In the Philippines, pick herbal bees, bubbling strings. Buying chemicals, cream, we burn kerosene. The conviction of my tape is rape wicked like Nixon. Blonde heads, inscriptions with 3 6s and kiss the pyramid, experiment with high explosive. I slap box with Jesus, lick shots at Joseph. Zooming like binoculars, the rap blacksmith. Money's Rolex was spotless, chef rat top was spotless. I'm Iron Man, OD cash metal, I'm still alloy. True identity hidden inside secret tabloids. Breathe oxygen, both sides of my jaw carry options. The track hit like a bangers in 100 wide boxes. No jostling these cash, my little JP Delian. Sip Irish Smots out of weed Delian.
You needed 50,000 small bills, my gold plate, my slang kills, my bitter spills. What up, Lils? Murder one done, killer bee stung. Guess who back home, son? My technique is slang can't run. Third platoon soon. Cristal bottles, cages of boom. Poppy wardrobe, the man had a big dick style. Beware goons, smuggle balloons, Lorna dunes and fat pussy wounds. Let the guards build, pull the grill. Check out the man's skills, top secret technique. Too hard for you to peep it and keep it. Jiggy style of rap and watch a knock on slang, sweep it out of order. Tape recorder, can't record my slaughter. Spoil the rotten Donna, too good to be forgotten. Hot top notch, borderline rhymes is Hancock 96. My ill sound class is still hot. Get yourself shot.
Sequence the albums, how they should how we thought they should sound, and we put a lot of work into the sequencing too.
Electrifying big beat performances by England's Paul McCartney, John Lennon, George Harrison, and Ringo Starr featuring.
Wu-Tang Clan brought so much heat.
You know, many of these things have been remixed.
It's the TC.
Getting misinformed, thinking everything is everything. You get yourself a little deal, whatever. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna get on, you're gonna get rich. And all these labels be trying to lure us in like spiders into the web, you know what I'm saying? So sometimes people gotta come out and speak up and let people understand that, you know, you gotta read the label. You gotta read the label.
Tommy ain't my motherfucking boy. When your fake moves on a nigga you employ, all emerge off the set. Now you know, goddamn, I show living large niggas how to flip a Def Jam and rough up the motherfucking house. Cause I saw that you cold chillin' motherfuckers, I still want a brother. I'm ruthless, my clan don't have to act wild. That shit is jive, and no sleeping bag profile. The soft comedian rap shit ain't the rough witty. On the real, it wasn't from a tough city. Niggas be game, thinking that they lyrical surgeons. They know they mics are from the virgin. And if you ain't on the mic, you couldn't hurt a beat. That's like going to Vegas driving the Mercury. The capital of this rugged slang is Wu-Tang. Witty, unpredictable talent, natural game. I death row an MC with mic cables. The epic is out of Rush associated labels. From east, west to Acco, I bring it to a next plateau, but I keep it fat though. Yeah, I'm hitting batters up with the wild pitch style. I even showing uptown MCA style. Who thought he saw me on 4th and Broadway when I was out on the island bombing MCs all day? My priority is that I'm first priority. I bone a secret out of bitch in a sorority. So look out for A&M, the Abbott and the Master, breaking down your pendulum as I fiend MCs out with a blow that'll numb to ya. Pendex, I'm holding more weight than Columbia. Index in the scope, we are CA clan that's coming with a plan. The free a slave of a mental death MC. Don't panic, throw that A&R nigga off the boat in the Atlantic. Know who's the bad boy character? Not from Arista, but firing weapons released on Geffen. So duck as I struck with the soul of Motown, while central broadcasting systems are slowed down and dirty like that bastard. It's getting drastic. Read the label and say it loud. Another Wu-Banger, 36 chambers through your area.
So anyway, this is me, not quite signing. Okay, keep it going, but just say it, yeah.